Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm back reviewing another Toovren iPhone case for you guys. This time it's for the iPhone 8. Really excited about this case. You can purchase it from Amazon. The link will be in my video description below. Go ahead, check it out. Now they did send me this to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. I just want you guys to be able to see this case, know all of its features, and make the best decision for yourself. So that being said, here it is. We'll take it out of its packaging. This is how it's going to come shipped to you directly from Amazon in a nice box with their brand on it. It is a wallet case, which I'm excited about, for the iPhone 8. And it has a lanyard as well. So you can see, here's the lanyard, and here is the iPhone case itself. Really nice quality. I've reviewed a couple other Toovren cases before, and they make really good phone cases, especially if you're looking for, you know, that 2-in-1, 3-in-1 thing where it's got, this has a kickstand, the wallet, and it's a phone case. So you can store your credit card, some cash, use it as a grip, wear it with this lanyard, that sort of thing. So it's a really good phone case. It does support wireless charging too. So let me go ahead. We'll put the iPhone right in the case. Perfect fit, excellent craftsmanship. Really pleased with it. All the buttons work, which is nice, and they got perfectly cut out spots for the speakers and your charging ports. So really an awesome case. You can see it's really slim too. A big feature of why I really like these phones is they really design them with this nice bumper in mind. So if you drop the phone and you set it down, it's not going to be landing on the screen. There is a raised lip here. So that'll take the cushion of the blow, you know, majority of the blow right there, and cushion your phone for everything else. So really well thought out. Nice leather too. It's a really cool case, really with a nice material on it. Feels really luxurious. They got two spots here too. So you have the first buckle or the first button and the second button, and you can use it as a phone stand. So you have that setting or this setting. They went through a lot of tests, figured out that was the best solution for it. So that's how Toovren recommends you use it. Again, it is an awesome case. We'll go ahead and we'll put some money and credit cards in it now too, just so you can see how it is used as a wallet or a card holder. So I have a couple cards here. You could put like your driver's license in it. You could use it as a, you know, your full-fledged wallet if you put like a credit card or two. So you can see I got two cards in it right now, which is really nice. You could definitely probably, there's room for a couple more if you wanted to fit them in there. So that's really nice. You can also use it. Let's see if I can just fit this big wad of cash right in there too, and then we'd like to make sure that it's safe. So I go ahead, you can see the cash is nice snug in there. I could actually put it all the way down if you want to keep it hidden as well, and now it's secured with this clasp and you're all good to go. So really a tough material, tough case, perfect for your phone. Again, it does support wireless charging, and one of the best features too is it comes with this nice lanyard that is adjustable. You can adjust it to fit any sort of need you may have. And then it's got a nice, strong metal clasp right here to hold your phone. You can use it as a wrist strap if you wanted. You could use it as a grip. You can wear it around your neck like a necklace. So it's really nice, really cool. Love how the phone just, you know, can just be there. You can do it hands-free. And look at how much space I have. So if I wanted to really do something, I can still take my pictures, use my device, but let it go and be hands-free. So really well thought out. The neck strap's plenty comfortable. Your phone's pretty light, so it's really not going to bother you if it's around your neck all day. Again, you could adjust this if you wanted and use it as a wrist strap. As you see, you could just hang it from your wrist. Again, it's really cool. Perfect for the iPhone 8. They make a bunch of different cases for a bunch of different iPhones. So go ahead, make sure you check them out. Again, I also want to show you that stand one more time in action. I think that's really a great feature. There it is. And again, if you didn't want to keep the strap in, but you wanted to actually use this as a grip, you could do that too. So there's a lot of uses. It's a great multi-function case from them. You'd be really happy with them. If you are shopping for a case, make sure to check them out. Go ahead, go to that link, check it out, see if it's the right one for you. Compare it with some of the other ones you may have in your cart already. Again, it's nice that you have the wallet feature, the lanyard. You can use it as a grip. It can be as a phone stand so you can watch and view media on your table. I mean, it's really well thought out. And again, it provides you some nice luxury with this material as well as some really good protection. So go ahead, check it out. I appreciate you guys being here. Let me know if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, that sort of thing. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Check out that link. Go look at my description too. Join my newsletter, tweet at me, check my Instagram, go to my website, that sort of thing. I love to interact with you guys. Just really appreciate you guys being here. Let me know your thoughts, questions, concerns, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks.